where we have this, you can see the row ID all the way to the left, which is profits. Now the first thing I did was to assign a name to my data. I call it orders.
Okay.
Then after that, I went to, okay, if you don't want to use the name range called orders, you can still go directly to insert, then pivot table. Select to add this to the data model, then click OK. It will take you to a new sheet where now you will see what is on the top. So it's retrieving my data because the data is massive. That is why you are seeing it in this format. Okay. Now we have now the new sheet, and you can see here. You can see the ranges that we were having here at the top. This is on orders. What you're seeing here at the top here comes to sheet number 7 is on the right side. So we want a report of order dates grouped by the month. So I drag that and drop that here. Then I want also sales, or say for your case could be expenses. Say sales and drop it here. Then after that, now we have it that way. Now we can group this by the month and the year. This data is from 2017 to 2018. So I group it by month and the years, then click OK. It's grouping my data. Just wait for it to group. It should take shorter.
Okay, because the sheet is massive.
Yeah. Okay, it should take shorter. See that?
Okay.
You can also see, okay, so what's the business segment that we are dealing with? So segments, I can bring the segments. Sometimes you want the segment or the shipping mode and put it on the filters. So that here I can now see the 4 shipping modes, which is first day, same day, second class, and standard class. If I want to see what is the total for first class, I can click OK. So it gives me only first class. If I want for, so this one is grouping by fields, and you can even filter. I want standard class, then standard class, I select standard class, OK. So you can see the numbers are changing based on the standard class. I know for some months, then OK. So you can see only same day delivery is in Kenya and some parts of Uganda. There's some parts of Tanzania and Uganda, and there is no Rwanda.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
That's clear.
Okay, now let me stop.